Hi, in this video I will show you how to replace engine intake air filter. So you have to remove all the extra, all the tools to replace the spare on your car, and then you will be able to disconnect this connector over here to give you a bit more space to work around. Then you'll have 4 Phillips head screws, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I suggest you use a shorter screwdriver than this one because it will be complicated to get screwdriver in there. It still be tight, so you will have to raise the top of the filter cover without breaking any hoses. And yeah, be careful putting everything back in because it will be quite complicated to put in filter in there through that hole. That's it.